Okay, let's take a look at question 4. So here we go, and this is another calculator aloud question. So a histogram represents the ages of 270 people in a village. So we can see just at first glance we've got people between 0 and 100 years old, and we don't actually know that they go up to 100 because we've got grouped frequency, but they're somewhere between 80 and 100. Okay, we'll probably assume that they're all 90. So we need to use the histogram to complete the table. All right, I'm just going to do a quick sketch of that, and I probably won't do a very accurate job. I'm just going to do 0 to 20, so I'm not using really the right notation here, but you guys know what I mean. All right, so this is basically X, this is F. So this is easy, right? I'm just reading off the graph. 40, 70, 100 people between 40 and 60, 50 people there, and 10 people there. So the midpoint is basically the midpoint of this group. So it's the age that I'm going to assume everybody is in that group in order to do my calculations. All right. So moving on there, hence calculate an estimate of the mean age. Well, this is now going to be my kind of list 1 on my calculator. This is still my frequency, so this is going to be list 2. It's still one variable, and you can do this, well, you can do it without a graphical calculator, but you probably just want to use a normal calculator. So I'm going to put this in list 1, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, and delete that last one. And my frequency is 40, 70, 100, 50, and 10. So I'm going to calculate, set it up. That's my data, that's the age I think that people are. And list 2 is my frequency, so that's set up correctly. It's one variable, and it's X bar, which is my estimate, and it's only an estimate because I've used those midpoints. Okay, so we would say 44.1. If I was using kind of a longhand, what I do is another column here where I multiply each of those. So that would be 400. So I'm saying 40 people, roughly each 10 is a total of 400 years. 70 people, who I'm assuming are 30 each, is a total of 2,100 years, and so on. Then I add up the kind of total years that all these villagers have between them. So I add those up, it's the total of my FX column, and I add up my number of villages, 100, 270, which is also known as N, the sum of the frequencies, it's the number of people I have, and I divide. So what have I got here? Lots of zeros, 4, 5, 19. So I think I get 11,900, so that's the total number of years lived. And if I've done this right, I should get the same answer as I got from the calculator. Well, this is a calculator, but it's just the longer way. Yeah, same. Okay, there we go.